welcome back to the Recycle channel. Today we are opening these Roblox things. I don't know, but I'm doing a video by myself, so my dad is not in it. I don't know why. Okay, let's open this. Don't worry guys, I just have another. I'm just gonna open it from the top. Ow. L and B. That was so loud, guys. Okay, guys. What the freak? Look at how big button eyes. Guys, I like this kind of far. This girl looks like from Fortnite. I think it goes this way. You don't do this. Let's see what kind of... Oh yeah, this is from Fortnite. Guys, look. From Fortnite. You can get the killer banana skin, the shark skin, the default skin. That's actually not a default. I don't know. Then wait, the waving skin, the more waving skins, and look, I got that one, guys. Look right there, right there. Okay, here's the goal. We got her now. Let's open the L side. Nothing to... Oh look, it gives you a code. Guys, it's done. So let's open the next one. I want to see what's inside of it. Don't freak. There's so much. That was loud again. Okay, let's see what... Oh, we got the same characters. Guys, look, we got the same character, like always. Look. Got the same character. Comes as a scratch off, guys. So if you get one of these, look at the scratch off. I think these ones have... Wait. video and hit the notification bells. Bye.